Hey, if you're watching this video, you are interested in a Kitchener chicken plucker review. Maybe you want to see how the plucker works. What we did is we processed 11 birds on farm the other day and used this specific plucker. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a walkthrough, show you, what it looks like, some of the pros and cons, and then hopefully that'll be able to help you to decide if it's a good fit for you. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see right here, this is the height of the plucker itself. I'm about 6 foot tall, so this makes it really easy to put the chickens in and pull them out as you're actually plucking them. Another good thing about this particular model is it does have these wheels, and you can just kind of roll them, here or there, roll it wherever you need to actually take it. That was really easy to set up, to move around, I should say. So as you can see, there are a bunch of these rubber fingers here, and that's what plucks the chicken. This base here spins around, and I'll show you, you'll see the video of that in a second, but that spins around and rotates, and then the chicken moves around in here. Now, one thing I wasn't as excited about is that this one doesn't have like any kind of an integrated water system, but the one I built a long time ago, we just used a water hose, and that's what we do on this one. You just kind of spray in there. It does have wheels. These are kind of like a hard plastic. They're not inflatable, and they seem to, like they would last a long time. So those seem pretty fine to me. As you can see, the on-off switch is right down here, and it's just kind of a little bit weird when you're turning it on. I'd prefer to have the on-off switch somewhere maybe at the top, but it is what it is. It wasn't too big of a deal on the actual day itself. And one thing I really did like a lot is this, there's a chute right here, and that actually gathers the feathers, and you can put a bucket or whatever thing down here to actually catch the feathers. That was really helpful. The one I actually built a long time ago didn't have anything like that, so this just makes it where you're not cleaning up feathers all over the place. It's just everything's in one place. And again, I'll show you that here in a second on the video.
How does it do that? What? How did it do that?
Plucked. We got a plucky chicken. So another cool thing about this is it has these carabiners that latch onto here, but it has these clamps, and you loosen these and you can actually remove the tub itself. So that way when you're going to clean feathers out of there, when you're done, you just pull the whole tub off, and it's really easy to clean. Again, the one I made a long time ago, it was just one whole barrel, and you had to really get in there to get all the feathers and things out. Now, I saw some people were asking how many birds you could pluck at once. We just did one bird at a time. You could probably do 2 in there, I guess, depending on how big your birds were, but really it plucks them so quickly that it's really not that big of a deal. Finally, the company says that it is water resistant, UV resistant, and oil resistant, also corrosion resistant. So, it looks like a really sturdy thing. We've only been using it for a little while, but looks like a good investment. So if you think you are wanting to purchase one, I think it will probably be a good deal overall. It's going to save you a ton of time. I know it did for us. Well, I hope that was helpful for you. If you have any questions, put those in the comments section below. And if you are interested in purchasing one of these pluckers for yourself, please do us a favor and click on the link at the top of the comments section. It's a pinned post there, or in the description, and use that link. It is an affiliate link, but it helps the channel, helps us to keep creating videos like this for you, and purchase through that link there. So if you have any questions, like I said, let me know, and we'll keep making videos for you as we stumble upon more of these farm appliances and farm tools.